Yes, friends, how are you all?
Excellent, sir.
Fine,
Yes,
good. Okay, and my voice is clearly audible to all?
yes, sir. It's clear.
Fine. So, right, we are moving with our session. Today's session, we are going to continue. And in today's class, students, we will mainly cover the aspects related to IELTS writing. Our today's class is mainly targeted on IELTS writing, and we are going to cover the type, reasons and consequences. Type 2, we are going to cover the reasons and consequences type of essay. Okay. So today's question is, so let me start. Today's question, immigration has a major impact. Immigration has a major impact on the society. So this is a statement. So what is immigration? Who are immigrants? Immigrants कौन होंगे हैं? Immigration की हैगा? So immigration, the process of moving from or transferring from one country to another is called immigration. है ना? जो लोग like we all अपन सारे कर रहे हैं, we are doing, you all are doing IELTS. You want to migrate from your one country to another. You want to go to your dream country. Okay, that is an immigration process. Okay, so this is the only statement of our day, that immigration has a major impact on the society. Immigration da हैगा अपनी society te एक major impact. Okay, so we have to discuss, but are the reasons? So the type of essay, this is important, students, as I have explained you earlier also, that this is just only a statement. It's only a statement. We need not to act. Okay, further, the action, the type of essay, it depends. Okay, the question, the main question for which we must go, that is the main reasons of immigration and what are the consequences can it lead. Okay, so it is very clear. We will divide our essay into 4 paragraphs. We will divide our essay into 4 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, that is introductory para. Paragraph 1, that will be the introductory para. Then we will go for the reasons of immigration. Then we will go for reasons of immigration. And then in the 3rd paragraph, we will check what are the consequences. Consequences means trend, that what are the results, that what will be the result ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਗਏ ਹੋ, ठीक है, उस चीज दे की इफेक्ट्स ने, उस चीज दे की रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं. We have to discuss that. And then in the last paragraph we will conclude accordingly. The last paragraph ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ conclusion ਹੋਏਗੀ. I guess it's clear up to here. You are got points. Okay, so let's discuss here first. Our statement is immigration as a impact on the society. कि immigration the society ते impact हैगा. What are the main reasons? Okay, you almost all of you want to go abroad. Okay, so I want to ask you, what are the reasons why you want to abroad? Yes, so what are the reasons? Yes, Aditya, you can unmute, Sren. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
There are many reasons due to
Yes.
which people want to go abroad.
Yes,
First of all, some people want to study there.
yes, the first reason
Some
is
people-
study. Okay,
Second reason, some people want to earn there.
to earn their livelihood. Yes.
Yes, sir. And
Okay, fine. Yes, Raman, according to you?
The same for better study.
For, yes, for better study, है ना, for better study and for their better future. इकल्ला पर study कह देने, so not wrong, not wrong. If we will say for better future, है ना, then we can cover more aspects. ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ study भी cover कर लवांगे, better job security भी कर लांगे, and more opportunities. We can talk about the more opportunities. So instead of targeting only one point, we will give the main point, that is for their better future. Okay, and anything else? Any other reason?
To earn money.
To earn money. Yes.
For traveling, for travel.
Yes, even you can say for travel, and like they want to enjoy, they want to explore the different places. Okay. Yes, this could be the one reason. You can say that there are a number of people who want to explore, who want to enjoy the different part and different want to enjoy in the lap of different countries' nature. Okay, so we can say accordingly. This is also correct. We can explain this point also. Yes, any other choice, student? Sufficient now. This is the main, that these are the reasons. Like sometimes if we say like some people may not be satisfied by their state government, because there are a number of countries which are still developing. So they think that they can have a better future. People think that they can have a better future if they will migrate to developed countries, because over there they will have access to number of facilities. Okay, definitely there is a lot of difference between developing and developed countries, like related to health, education, and in all other aspects also. Okay, people feel themselves more safe in other countries. Okay, so students, just I need to take a pause. Just give me a second. Yes, friend, we are going to resume the class. Okay, so next, these are the reasons. ठीक है, पर reasons discuss कर लिया. Further, अपा third body, जो body para 2 होएगा, पैसेज का थर्ड पैराग्राफ होएगा, ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ what are the consequences ਕਿ ਜਦ ਹੁਣ ਲੋਕ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੈਗੇ, ਇਸ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਇੰਪੈਕਟਸ ਕੀ ਪੈ ਰਹੇ ਨੇਗੇ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟਸ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ. Okay, for example, nowadays lot of people are migrating to Canada, but will its impact, either consequences की निकल रही हैं? Yes, Aman, Arsh, Dish, anyone? अगर ज्यादा लोग कनाडा जा रहे हैं किसी भी कंट्री च ना, but will be the its impacts, what will be the its consequences?
सर उस
सर
country के
पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज होगी वो कंट्री
migrate हो रहे हैं.
की चीज इंक्रीज होएगी?
population
Yes, population of those countries will increase. Population होना countries दी increase होएगी. ठीक है, that's the right point. But will happen if population will increase?
There will be unemployment for the natives.
Yes, there will be a unemployment for a lot of people, है ना? Unemployment होएगा. Unemployment mean to say people have to struggle for their employment. लोगों को की करना पड़ेगा अपने employment लिए, है ना? To get employment they have to struggle. Okay. Yes, Simran, at the same time, even you can say that their economy of that particular country will increase. है ना? So there is a uncertainty. है ना? There is a uncertainty because we are migrating from one country to another. We are not sure, the person is not sure whether he or she will get all the opportunities over there or not. Firstly, will he or she will get proper settlement? Will he or she will be able to adjust over there? This is a question. Then, are really job opportunities are there? कि उत्थे अपनो proper job opportunities मिलेंगियां? If more number of people are going there, it means population will increase and people have to struggle for their work. People have to struggle for their work. उन्हें अपने work लिए struggle करना पड़ेगा, है ना? And they may have to work at lower wages. Lower wages पे भी हो सकता कि कम करना पड़े. Okay, lower salary, wages, pay rate, you can say. It happens. ये हो रहा ना कि काफी सारे स्टूडेंट उत्थे जाके कहंदे कि सानू काम चाहिदा किदां भी दे दो. Even number of students are working at $7, $8 because everyone want to be self dependent. है ना, उत्थे जाके ਆਪਾਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ self dependent ही रहिए, that we don't want to be a burden on our families. Okay, so So these are the some of the reasons. Okay, these will be the consequences, and further it may be a problem for the local people. ਉੱਥੋਂ ਜੇ ਲੋਕਲ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਲੋਕਲ ਪੀਪਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਜੋ ਲੋਕਲ ਲੋਕ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਹੈ ਨਾ? It will be a like they may ask the questions to government. अगर अपन government ਉੱਥੇ ਬੁਲਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ, no doubt it will give boost to their economy. But at the same times, the facilities which are meant only for the local people of their country, for the native peoples, they are getting distributed among the refugees. Refugees कौन हो गए? जो migrate कर रहे हैं. Okay, so all this we are going to discuss in our this essay. Okay, so just want to repeat in a short, those who have just joined now only, this is our essay that immigration has major impact on the society. We are going to discuss it, and the type of essays, reasons and consequences. So in the very first paragraph, we will just give introduction. Okay, who will give me the introduction here? Just giving you all time that how you can write its introductory lines. You can send me by chat. You all are welcome. Just send its introduction lines. Yes, students, make its introduction and send me in a chat, giving you 2 minutes for this. Yes, all of you have given correct answers, and this is appreciable. Definitely, student, when you are trying now, when you are giving answers, then you will get to know about your mistakes. तो अपने mistakes पता चलेंगे. Okay, so one of the best answer that I'm copying and sending you all. If there is a copy option, let me check. Yes. I'm sending it to everyone. So we will go with it. Yes. This answer is given by Simranji. Okay. Immigration has a significant impact on the contemporary society. So what is meant by contemporary? In the modern day, word use किया गया सीखा ना today. Okay, तब use कर सकते हैं contemporary. Okay, present time दे ले. Most of the essays we can start with this line in this contemporary era. ठीक है कि आज दे time दे विच. जब अपन कहना होगा ना आज दे time दे विच. You can say in this contemporary era or in this contemporary society. Clear? Further अपन continue कर सकते हैं. Like here, immigration has a significant. Instead of major, significant word is used. That is correct one. Okay. Then, in my view, what are the main reasons of immigration? So you can like this way, go. In my view, the main reasons केड़ियां हैगियां? Like is a strong desire, better life quality and safe future. Means ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ points ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ, ਇਹੀ points ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ further ਆਪਣੇ body paragraph 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ explain ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. Then we have made second statement. A lot of people, second statement is a lot of people from so-called third world. Okay, third world, you can say that the developing countries, so-called we use term for developing countries. ठीक है? In search of better employment. Mainly we are going for the better employment and therefore higher incomes. Okay, further Simran ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਲੀ line consequences ਦੇ related mention ਕਰਨਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ, so we will add more line. Okay, so this essay will examine its reasons and consequences in upcoming paragraphs. Okay, I hope it's clear to all. So check introductory para. So we are here. Yes, immigration has a significant impact on the contemporary society, exactly as I have written. Okay, each year more and more people from all over the world, okay, and even you can say that it's getting trendy. स्टूडेंट कोई जरूरी नहीं है, जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग कि जो मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ शो कर रहे हैं कोई जरूरी नहीं कि ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਨਸ ਦੇਣੀਆਂ. ठीक है, even introductory para you can write in number of ways. Just go with proper sentence formation and without any repetition and avoiding the grammatical errors. Just this is the main requirement of writing part. Okay, so each year more and more people from all over the world decide to leave their home country and move to another place. Okay, instead of this, even you can say that it's getting trendy. Okay, it's getting trendy nowadays that large number of peoples are migrating to other developed countries. Okay, so this essay further you can give due to various reasons, like reasons like safe future and better quality. Okay, so the thesis statement, a wali statement jehdi apan keh rahe hain, this line, this essay will, okay, this is called thesis statement ki apan upcoming paragraphs de vich ki karan wale hege a. So we are saying that this essay will examine the reasons and the consequences of immigration. Is that clear to all? Now moving to body para 2. In body para 2, students, we are going to discuss the main reasons. What are the main reasons behind the immigration? As we have already discussed, the main reason of immigration is a strong desire of better life quality and safe future. The main reason behind the migration is a strong desire of better life quality and safe future. Everyone wants their future safe, and the another most important is better life quality. That's why a large number of people, or you can say a lot of people from so-called third world, okay, third world we have already discussed in the developing countries. Okay, so that's why only so-called third world move to developed countries. ਤਾਂ ਜੋ developing countries ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਆ ਉਹ developed countries ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ move ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ in search of, ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ already ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, better life quality, ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ explain ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, in search of better employment opportunities and therefore higher income. अगर employment opportunities ज़्यादा होंगी ਤਾਂ थोड़ी income भी increase होएगी. Moreover, so this is important here students, we are using moreover, है ना. Further इन्हों होर explain करते हुए, उसਨੂੰ elaborate करते हुए, here moreover is used as a connector. Moreover ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ किस वे नाल use कर रहे हैं? As a connector. Moreover, living in a wealthy country implies living in a country with stable economy. ठीक है कि जो ਆਪਾਂ कहने हैं कि अगर ਆਪਾਂ wealthy countries, student here wealthy countries used term for developed countries instead of repetition. ठीक है, developed countries ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ repeat ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ use ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ wealthy countries. Implies living in a country with stable economy. ठीक है कि ਉਹਨਾਂ countries ਦੀ ਜੋ economy ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਜੋ success rate ਹੈਗਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੋ living standard ਆ, that is quite stable. Okay, not like developing countries जिथे लगातार कुछ ना कुछ protest चलते रहते हैं, where people have to struggle for their rights. Okay, so it's not like there. Okay, so they want standard living. Okay, they are migrating. So in a country with stable economy, so a risk of losing their saving also lessen. अगर stable economy हैगी आ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਉੱਥੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ savings ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਘਟ ਜੂਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਏਗੀ, sudden change ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ, ਕੋਈ crisis ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੋ risk ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹ cover ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. Okay, for example, labor migration from Mexico to the USA is caused by these facts. अगर ਆਪਾਂ example ये कि जो labor migration है गया Mexico to USA ਦੇ ਲਈ, that is only due to these reasons. Okay, other reasons that force, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਇਹ lines ਹੈਗੀਆਂ that suits the song of Tarsem Jessar. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ lines ਪੜ੍ਹਦਾ ਵਾਂ, ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ Tarsem Jessar ਦੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਤੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ. Okay, other reasons that force whole families to cross borders are wars and various cultural conflicts in their homeland. Wars and various cultural conflicts in their homeland. Many people migrate seeking security, safe future for their children. Okay, like students, in the periods of 84, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ, ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਏਰੀਏ ਦੀ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ? ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਦੋਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਦ 84 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈਗੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਤਰਸੇਮ ਜੱਸੜ ਦੇ Song ਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਨਸ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ, ਸਾਂਭ ਦਾ ਬਲੈਤ ਨਾ ਜੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਬਣਨੇ ਸੀ ਰੰਗਲੇ ਚੁਬਾਰੇ, ਸਮਥਿੰਗ ਲਾਈਕ दैट, ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਇਫ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਿਉਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਰੀਜ਼ਨ the conditions in our homeland are not suitable, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे you might have seen the Diljit's movie 1984 1984 ना something ਏਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈਗਾ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਨਾ that they are making just fake cases and killing the youngsters. At that time most of the people from our locality migrated to the Western countries just for their safety. The reason, there is a wars and various cultural conflicts in their homeland. Okay, so many people migrate seeking security, apni security de layi, apne safe future de layi, because of thinking of their future children's. Okay, they migrate. Similarly, right now also there are a number of Mexicans and ਸੀਰੀਆ ਕੁਛ ਏਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਕਨਫਲਿਕਟ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਲੋਕ ਆ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਰਿਫਿਊਜੀਜ਼, ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਐਂਡ USA, ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ who give asylum, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੈਟਲਮੈਂਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਹਿਣ ਲਈ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਫਿਊਜੀਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ। Okay, so for instance most of the refugees who arrived in the European Union were escaping from wars. wars ਤੋਂ ਬਚਣ ਦੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਹੋਮਲੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ, people often migrate. Okay, and this is the optional only, it's not mandatory or compulsory ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਏਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਨਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣੀਆਂ ਪੈਣਗੀਆਂ, ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੋਣੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆ, it's not necessary. Okay, even you can explain your first 2 points only, that for better quality, for better life quality and for better safe future. Okay, just response me everyone, that is it clear to all up to here, and if anyone want to add any sentence, you are welcome.
So everything is clear, but I just want to know about the meaning of instance.
Meaning of
For instance. For instance.
just
For instance. In last time, the connector is for instance. Yeah. This one.
please repeat Kevan or send me by a chat.
For instance, most of the refugees who arrived in the European Union. Last line from starting.
Okay, for instance, मैं सारी last line actually I'm not getting the exact word, मैं पूरी last line repeat कर रहा हूँ.
Know the meaning for instance. Meaning of for instance.
For instance, okay, this is a word that we use to exemplify. Instead of example है ना, जितना ਆਪਾਂ कहिए example. Okay, ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ connector word for example, yes, for example simple ਉਹਦੇ vocab word ਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ. You can write for example also, that is also correct, ਕੋਈ problem ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ for example write ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. Clear? For example ਇਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੋ words ਹੈਗੇ ਜੋ commonly ਆਪਾਂ word use ਕਰਦੇ ਆ for example ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ, that is for instance, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ for instance, to exemplify. Okay, ja, for example. Clear? That is, so most of the refugees those who are migrating, who arrived in European countries, were escaping from wars, कि वो wars तो बचना चाहते सीगे. I hope it's clear.
Yes sir.
Okay, so fine. Now moving to the consequences, कि ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਅਗਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੋਕ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ, after if large number of people like right now, ठीक है, large number of people are migrating to those countries, what will be the its effects, is the effects की होने वाले हैगे, we have to discuss about that. So already we have seen that, check here, results of immigration, people expectations, obviously like most of you है ना, most of us, we can say that we want to migrate to that particular country or to our dream country. We are having some expectations, but what is the main problem, that our expectations may come true or may not. Clear? श्योरिटी नहीं हैगी कि अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस पूरियां होणगियां ਜਾਂ नहीं. रीजन because more number of immigrants are there. Okay, and they may face other difficulties ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ like ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ, settlement ਦੇ ਲਈ, for work, है ना. In the initial stages definitely one has to struggle. Obviously जो भी एक बार ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ बहुत ज्यादा struggle हैगा ना. You all have heard about this. Countries of destination have to give money to support refugees. ਹੁਣ ਜੋ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਈ ਜੋ ਰਿਫਿਊਜੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੋ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਹਨਾ, ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਸ਼ਰਨ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆਗੇ, ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਪੈਸਾ ਖਰਚਣਾ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ. ਐਂਡ ਐਟ ਦਾ ਸੇਮ ਟਾਈਮ overpopulation is the root cause for number of problems. Overpopulation ਇੱਕ ਮੇਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇੱਕ ਮੇਨ root cause ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ. So we are going to discuss here. So let's start. We are going to discuss the consequences. So however, start ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ students? Using term however mean to say कि at the same time कि we are going on the opposite side, that there are some negative effects of the points we have discussed already. ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ benefits ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹਟੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ reasons ਨੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ expectations ਨੇ ਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ better life ਹੋਏਗੀ, better future ਹੈਗਾ. Okay, however sometimes immigration causes more problems than it solves. कि कई बारी की ਹੁੰਦਾ कि immigration ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ results ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, consequences mainly ill effects, ठीक है, that it cause more problems than instead of solving them result in negative consequences. ਇਹਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਕੁਝ negative consequences ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ill effects ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ for both ਕਿੰਨਾ ਦੇ ਲਈ, for both immigrants and their countries of destination. ਕਿ ਜੋ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਲੋਕ ਉੱਥੇ already exist ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, native people ਆ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ problem ਆਏਗੀ. First of all, most of the refugees can't find job because of the lack of language skill and difficulties in adaptation. If you are migrating from one part to another part, you may face difficulty in the language and in the working conditions. Okay, and at the same time different type of climatic conditions are there, so it's also difficult to adapt to the particular environmental conditions of that area. ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਨਾ. ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਈਵਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੇਟ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਸਟੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਡੇਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਡਜਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਅਡੈਪਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਦੋ ਮੇਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ. ਫਰਸਟ, ਲੈਕ ਆਫ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ. ਓਕੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਨਾਟ ਅਵੇਅਰ ਆਫ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਚ, ठीक है. एनी हाउ इंग्लिश इज हेल्पफुल, बट एट एयरपोर्ट काफी ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ 에ਅਰਪੋਰਟਸ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ ਸਟੇ ਹੋਏ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਲੋਕ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ. ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ communication skills may be a problem, language may be a problem. Second thing, difficulties in adaptation. जिस जगह ते ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਕਲਾਈਮੈਟਿਕ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੇ, এনवायरमेंटल ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਅਡੈਪਟ ਕਰ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੈਂਟਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਅਡੈਪਟ ਕਰ ਪਾਉਣਗੇ, they may face some difficulties. So we are taking these points as a consequences. Okay, that's why the countries have to run various refugee assistance programs to help those people. ਹੁਣ ਅਗਰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਣ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਲੋਕਲ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸਿਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਟੂ ਹੈਲਪ, ਓਕੇ, ਦੇ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਰਨ ਵੇਰੀਅਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ, ਦੇ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਰਨ ਵੇਰੀਅਸ ਅਸਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ. ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ then it will cause, it needs some money, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖਰਚਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ. ਓਕੇ, so disproportionate burden on maintaining the immigrants lead to tension in the society. जो ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ local people ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ like you can say jealous type ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਖਰਚਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ, there is a disproportionate of burden, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ money ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਜੋ proper use ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ, ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ person ਦੇ ਲਈ use ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. So it may cause tension in the society. Okay, secondly, not all the refugees receive proper asylum, food, and medical care. Okay, so at the time of settlement, in initial cases, there are a number of cases like refugees mainly term use हो रही है student इथे कि जो लोग migrate करे आगे, especially like ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ countries ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਹੈਗੇ ਸੀ homeland ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, you can say that there are not favorable conditions due to some cultural conflicts or some other kind of war. Okay, so they are at risk even after crossing the border. Border cross ਕਰਨ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਆ ਕੁਛ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ problems ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ face ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਪੈ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ. Finally, so we are going to cover. Finally, even highly qualified specialists who seek better employment often don't get what they are looking for. ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਸਕਿੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੀ expectations ਹੋਣ that we will get a better employment, but due to overpopulation, okay, one may not get the chance, one may not get the work as per his or her potential, कि जिन्ना ਉਹਦੀ potential ਹੈਗਾ, ਜਿੰਨੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ skills ਹੈਗੀਆਂ, ਉਹਦੇ according ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ work ਨਾ ਮਿਲੇ. It happens. Okay, so even highly qualified specialists who seek better employment often don't get what they are looking for, कि ਜਿਹੜੀ expectation ਲੈ ਕੇ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ expectation हो सकता शायद पूरी ना हो. Clear? So these are the consequences, negative impacts. Clear, student? Any doubt? Anyone want to ask any question up to here in this paragraph?
No, sir.
Okay, so what should we conclude now? Last ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ conclude ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ. Asylum. Asylum ਹੁੰਦਾ means ਮਨਦੀਪ settle. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਰਹਿਣ ਬਸੇਰਾ, ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਮਿਲਣੀ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੀ, that is called asylum. Okay, so now we have to move for conclusion. ਆਪਣੀ conclusion ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ migrate ਦੇ reasons ਜਾਂ consequences ਤੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆਗੇ. ਆਪਾਂ conclusion ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਨ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਵਿਊ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਗਿਆ. ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਇੱਥੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿਓ, ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਵਿਊ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਗਿਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਮੇਨ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਮੇਨ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਮੇਨ ਕਨਸੀਕੁਐਂਸ ਕੀ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੈਟਸ ਆਲ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਸੋ ਜਸਟ ਚੈੱਕ ਇਟਸ ਕਨਕਲੂਡਿੰਗ ਪੈਰਾ. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਪੈਰਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਕਿ ਐਦਾਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਐਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ. So we will not write anything like that. In conclusion, I think that people immigrate to have better life prospects. ठीक है, ਆਪਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਿ ਲੋਕ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਕਿਉਂ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ for their better future or for better life prospects. However, opposite side आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, however, life after immigration may not always meet people's expectations. जो ਆਪਾਂ last paragraph ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ conclude ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ ਲੋਕ migrate ਤਾਂ ਕਰਨ but ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜੋ expectations ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਹੋਣ. However, life after immigration may not always meet people's expectations. ਇਹੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ first para ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ body para 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹੀ discuss ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ कि they want better future and better life quality. So we have written that line. And in second para, we have discussed that everything is uncertain. Everything is uncertain. One may have to face various problems. So that we have mentioned here. However, life after immigration may not always meet people's expectations. Okay. Then, so it is very important to consider all the people outcomes and decide whether leaving your homeland is worth it. Clear? ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ concluding statement, it's just optional. Okay, never take it too lengthy, ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ lengthy ਨਹੀਂ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ short ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Okay, ਕਿ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਗਰ possible outcomes ਹੈਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ consequences ਹੈਗੇ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ, ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ prepared रहिए ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ consider ਕਰਕੇ ਚੱਲੀਏ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਚੱਲੀਏ, that will be a much better option. Okay, yes, student, anyone want to ask any question? You are welcome. Okay, so just give me a minute. Let me save it.